Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am back with a project or two for the Not Too Shabby shop. If you remember earlier in the month, I shared with you how I am starting to store my ephemera in these little mini pizza boxes. And I told you that I would come back later in the month to share other ways to use these great pizza boxes. And so that's what I'm going to do today. If you remember right, the July 2022 box of the month had 2 paper pads. I absolutely think these are some of my favorite paper pads. The colors are so bright and fun and happy, and I just love it. It came with 2 stamp sets. Those, and then the this calls for confetti mix, the awesome stencil, and then the matching ephemera. So again, earlier in the month I showed you how to make these pizza boxes. So we're going to pretend that I used up all my ephemera and now I have this pizza box. And I don't really want to get rid of it, like throw it away or anything. So if you want to keep it for yourself, a couple ideas that I have for you are, even though these are not the lollipops that Jamie usually sends, my husband eats those immediately, so I think he's happy when I order. Anyways, I did find these. So you can put your candy stash in there, kind of hidden out of view, only you will know that it's there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Or I kind of like the idea, kind of a neat idea, is like to keep your embellishments in them. I guess I would need to like cut those down just a touch, but like they would fit pretty easily in there if you just cut off that top part. I just haven't taken the time to cut it off. So you could store your embellishments there. I could picture, like, I think that sometimes we get like the little packages of sequins or whatever, those would fit perfectly in there. So you can hide your embellishments. I also, excuse me, got something in my throat. Have recently discovered ATC cards. If you're not sure what an ATC is, it's an artist trading card. And they're 2.5 by 3.5, just little canvases. But I think that they're so fun, and you can swap them out. Or like I plan on doing, sending them in cards when I send out cards. I just think it's something fun and neat. So I made up a set of ATCs. There's, I believe, 8 of them, different ones, using some of the paper. And then the paper I discovered, there's some like little cut aparts, and then I did use some of the ephemera on these too. But there's some fun little ATC cards. And then while I'm waiting, or like in between mailing them out or whatever, I thought it would be super fun to just pop them into that little mini pizza box. And then I have them stored, and I'm still getting to keep the cute little box that I made. I also thought that as I do more swaps, it might be kind of fun to create a mini pizza box for each swap, just so I could keep track, because I'm not a big fan of the pockets pages that people have been showing me that they use. Whereas this, I could just open up, I could actually like look at them. I'm a touch person, so I like to touch it and feel it, and so I thought that that would be super fun. So I made some ATCs that could go in there. And then I was also thinking along the lines that I could create some little 3x3 cards. So I'm going to pause here, and I'm going to show you how I colored up the images, and then I had everything ready, but I put a couple of the cards together. So those are super easy, but I thought it turned out really cute. I did create some little mini 3x3 envelopes, and I have to tell you, I am super excited about this because I've had my envelope board, I don't know, years and years, and I've never touched, well, I've probably done like maybe 2 or 3 things with it. So I was excited to make some little 3x3 envelopes that these little 3x3 cards can go into. And then you could easily make this into like a little gift box. You could make more if you wanted. And then you could easily put them in there and put a ribbon around it, and there you have an easy gift idea as well. I also thought that you could add some tags, or create some tags to put in store in there. I mean, really, the possibilities are endless. So I hope that I've given you some more ideas of fun ways to use these little mini pizza boxes, and also more ways to use your box of the month. Everything will be in the description box below. The last time that I looked, the box was still available. I would run on over there and swoop it up. It really is an amazing box. Such fun colors. The coffee theme is really fun. Even if you yourself don't like coffee, I'm sure that you have a friend or a family member that does, that you could easily make a little gift set for, or even just a card. So anyways, thanks for stopping by. I hope you have fun. Go get crafty. And until my next video, keep on crafting and keep smiling. Bye-bye.